To my channel. This is man-rays, tech, vlogs and more. Today we're going to be reviewing or having a quick overview of my Honor Magic 5 Pro. It's got three 48 megapixel cameras. It's got a ½ inch sensor, so pretty good. I think it's a ½ inch. Well, massive sensor for a phone anyway. It's got a giant bump on the back. Right now I'm using it to record because I sold my Sony a6400 and my GoPro 10. So that's why you can't see it in this video. So you're gonna have to just trust me. No, I'm joking. I will show a video of my phone that will come soon. Look for it in the middle of the video. But today it's gonna be just pictures and videos of places I've been around London and pictures and stuff like that. Because this is going to be my main video recording device until I have enough money to buy a proper camera. So hopefully you enjoy it. It has a Snapdragon Gen 2 inside, 802, 801, I forget, but the latest Snapdragon Gen 2. So powerful, pretty powerful. All the gaming you want if you want to game on it, and it can process and edit all these videos on the device without having to export it if you don't want to or have devices to edit on. It has a 12 gigabyte RAM, and it can go up to higher if you need it. My one's got a 512 gigabyte storage, so I can film as much as I need. It does not do 8K. It does do 4K 60 and 30 and below. It's got log and LUT, so for cinematographers, if you want to get have all these special things to edit on, then it does that. I'm shooting this not in log, I'm just shooting it as in LUT in classic. I will be editing it on my DaVinci Resolve. It will not be straight from the camera because I want to give it its best opportunity to show what it can and can't do. It's got a really good battery. I get about 24 hours with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connected, and screen brightness turned right up. It's got a 1500 nit peak brightness, so outside in the sun I'm good to go no matter what. The UI is not the greatest. It does its job, it's not so bad, but obviously it's not a Google stock Android, it's not Samsung almost stock Android. Some of the swipe up features and some of the icons are a little bit annoying sometimes, but I don't care, I got used to it, so it's all good. NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all runs amazing, considering it's not from England or Europe or from America. I don't know if you can get there's a higher version than the 5 Pro, and it's got even higher specs. I'm not sure if you can get that in Europe or America or the rest of the world, to be honest. I think it's only for the Asian market, but it does all I need, and it's fast as hell. So let's get to the videos and the pictures. The videos would be edited from a DaVinci Resolve. The pictures I would have edited on the phone. So these are all edited, they are not stock videos or pictures. Alright, enjoy. See you at the end. Peace. Hey people, so that's a quick unboxing. You would have seen my face at the beginning of this video. So this is done before the talking head and before I've installed all my apps and before I've done anything to see if the phone's any good. But I will let you know on the intro. So here's the phone, still wrapped up. I guess if I do mess up, I can just talk over the video. So here's the phone in all its glory. As you can see. Wow, look at the man that leaves marks. But here it is. Hopefully I'm showing it well. Let's power it on just to see how the screen looks. I guess like most Androids, you just press the side.
And there it is. So it's got Type C like always. It's got a SD at the bottom, the SIM. It's got just a SIM. I think it's just dual SIM, but SIM nonetheless. Speaker on the top, if you can see. Speaker at the bottom. It's got stereo speakers. It's got volume up, volume down on the side, and a lock button. There it is. It's got this crazy looking camera on the back, or front, depending on how you see it. The back, definitely the back. It's quite a big phone, and it shall be going back in here for now. Let me open it up so you can see the accessories inside. Here. Ow. You have the pin to get the SIM card out. Get free one sec. Free case with it. I guess at least it'll stop you from getting scratches before you buy one for yourself. Get a Type C. Not too shabby one. It's a bit knotted, but definitely the job. Then you get a 65 watt charger with it. It's totally free. Well, buy the phone, but so I guess it's not free, but you do not have to go on Amazon or anywhere to get this phone charging really quick. So yeah, there's that. As you can see, hopefully 65 watts, very new and fresh. So that's that. Let me put the phone back inside this so I don't damage it. So phone, SIM opener, then a case. Very nice. Okay, that's that. Let's put that to the side. Get stuff out the way. Let's open. This is by Fulu. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I got it from Amazon for £8. So this is the phone case. Take a quick look at that. Okay. I will open it. Wow, that's a very nice looking case. Let's get the phone out and let's see what it looks like with it on the phone. So, there's the phone. Let's see how this looks. I'm guessing nice. Oof, that is a nice looking phone now. Look at that. Ain't that impressive? Probably makes those cameras look nice with that greenish color. Alright, I'm happy with that. Screen protector. I probably won't do it now because I want to be able to put it on properly. But since it's here and I'm doing unboxing of things, screen protector, wipes. I think there's maybe three protectors in here. Got from Amazon. I'm not sure what the company is. Does not say. But yeah. So that is the phone, the screen protector, and the case. So
this is with the front facing camera at 1080p at 60 frames. Front facing camera, selfie camera. What it looks like. Zoomed in, more zoomed in. So 60 frames, 1080p. Front facing camera, 30 frames, 4K. Front facing camera, 4K, 30 frames. Zoomed out. Even more zoomed out. Let's do some testing. So I'm just walking to meet my missus to get some food, buy some food for the house. So let me do some testing while I have the time. So I think this is shot at 4K, 30 frames. That's outside my house. Looking really stable on here. Let's go to closer lens. See how that looks. Wonder how the camera shake is. See how this one is not so great. Let's go back. Towards the sun. Looking really good. So this is what it sounds like on a busy enough street in central London. This is with LUT instead of log. The shutter is on auto. ISO is at 50. Hopefully you can hear me. The white balance is to AWB. And this is in LUT. In classic color preset. This is in log. See how it deals with stuff being close up. This is in LUT. 50 ISO and auto shutter. Central London on the Strand. Late to work because of my bus decided to miss most of the stops. So decided I should record some. My footage on the Thames that I had to cut out. It's not good enough for what I'm doing. So this is with cloud setting, AF centered. Shutter is on auto, and then ISO still at 50. This one's more to show camera shake and stabilization. It's at 1x. At 2x, it's really not that good. So I do not want to even try that. But this is what this looks like. This is with the normal color on, not log, just normal LUT. This is what I'm doing. You can see. Alright, thank you. Hope you like my video. So it's Trafalgar Square. Landmark in London. Wow, it does not feel this cloudy sky. Alright, we have a cloud setting. And this sensor is big, but it does not bring that much color in. Alright, thank you. as you can see, some amazing pictures around London, some amazing pictures that I could not do with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, not even almost. The video quality is good enough for what I need it for. Maybe not as good as shooting ProRes, maybe not, but I export in ProRes, so what you're seeing now is an uncompressed HVAC file, H25, whatever this runs on. I think it's HVAC. So if you need or want an Android phone that can shoot amazing quality video and the best photography you can get out there right now and not spend upwards of £2,000 or dollars, I bought this on a Magic 5 Pro for £700. Considering it's got the latest gen Snapdragon 5, it's got 12 gigs of RAM, 512 storage stock, 3 48 megapixel cameras, and a decent selfie camera. You can't go wrong with this, in my opinion. It's loaded my S22 Ultra, loaded my iPhone 13 Pro Max that I used to have. So if you wanna go Android and you don't want to use Samsung or Sony or Google and you want amazing pictures, this is the one to go for. I hope you liked my video. Share, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.